how to fix WhatsApp not showing contact name. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application, and if WhatsApp is not showing the contact name from your contacts, and that is because you have not allowed the WhatsApp application to have the information on your contacts. And to do that is you have to go to your settings here and go to and look for your WhatsApp application. You have, as you can see here, you have the list of the apps that you have allowed the WhatsApp to have an access on. And as you can see here, you will see contacts, photos, cameras, Siri and search, notifications, background app refresh. So since you want to show the contact, then you have to toggle on contacts there to allow WhatsApp to have the information on your contacts. And basically, that is how you fix WhatsApp not showing contact name. Let's say you have already done that and it's still not working. Then the other reason for that is that your application has a bug. And to do that, or your application is outdated. And to do that, you have to go here to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have there, and then search for WhatsApp and make sure to update the application. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.